Hi, I'm Andy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the simple moving average onto the RSI indicator to help sharpen your entries and exits and improve some of those trading opportunities. What I'm also got for you is a free enhanced RSI indicator and strategy to go with it that can really help you vamp up your trading and increase the amount of profits that you're currently making. So stick along and I'll show you how you can get that for free in a bit. So the first things we want to do is we want to get the indicator added to our chart. So as you can see here, I'm on TradingView, and all you need to do is load up a blank chart. If you're using free TradingView, that'll be fine as well. We only need to use 2 indicators. So this is EURUSD. And what you're going to do is you could come up here, click on indicators, and then we're going to click on RSI. So this one here, which is relative strength index, you want to click on that. And you can see here that the RSI indicator has been added to the chart. So let's go through some of the settings. So here is your RSI length. So for now, we're just going to leave that as it is. You don't need to worry about source. And then here is where we've got the SMA moving average. So right now, it's using a simple moving average. And here are the options. So we can change it to an EMA, a SMA, a WMA, and a VWMA, which is volume weighted. So, or you can choose to turn it off and have the standard RSI. But as you can see, just from looking here, without the moving average, it's difficult to know at what point potentially those reversals are starting to happen. So it's a really great addition by adding it on, and you just want to use the simple moving average standard. And then in style, you can change the color here to make it more clearer. There's, for example, I'm changing it to orange. And here now you can see the simple moving average has been added to the chart and how the RSI is moving with it. So what I want to show you now is actually I've enhanced the RSI just to take it that step further. So one of the things I've done to improve it is you can see here at the very top of the RSI and the bottom, these are areas where people look for price to, as it comes out, it's classed as being overextended basically, and then price will look to come back, and people might look to take entries. Now the problem with this is that it's fixed and it's not dependent on price or volume or what's happening. So create a free indicator and strategy, which we're going to go through very quickly. And it's called Enhanced RSI. All you need to do is comment below, subscribe to the channel, and then I will give you the indicator for free. I will comment underneath your comment with a link just for you so that you can download it and add it to your charts. Once you've added it to your chart, it'll look like this. And you can see at the very top here is our top line, and at the very bottom is our bottom line. Now, this is a dynamic level, which means that it's changing based on how price is moving over a period of time. So if we very quickly just look at the settings, you can see that we're using the last 500 candles to give us that level. Now, you can change this to 100. And you can see it'll change on the chart. It's got tighter. But for this strategy, we're just going to be using 500. Okay. So we're going to be using the RSI moving average as a point for us to get in on our trades. But we need to filter out, are we bullish or bearish? So included with this indicator, you will get this market structure indicator, which is going to let you know whether we're currently in a bullish or bearish trend. So you can see here that it's marked out the highs and lows for you, which it is doing in real time, so that you know whether you're currently in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Okay? And that's included for you, completely mechanical, no questioning, don't have to worry about it. It's all done for you and plotted on the chart. So here's some examples of how you're going to use this in your strategy, right? So for this second, let's just get rid of the original RSI and use just the enhanced one. And I will move myself up into the top corner. Okay. So you're only going to be looking for long trades when you are in a bullish structure, which means that we're making higher highs and lower highs, higher highs and lower highs, or simply look at your table and it'll tell you. You can see there we're bearish, in which case we're only looking for shorts, and if it was bullish it would be green and you'd be only looking for longs. So rule number one has to be in line with market structure. So what you're looking for is once you have taken the previous high, as you can see here, you're waiting for price to do its pullback. So you can see as we go under the average line, we start making that pullback. And you're looking for price to close above the average line with a strong candle, which you can see here. So you would enter the close of that candle and you would put your stop below current low, and you're looking to either take 1, 2R, or if you're feeling really brave, you can take a partial and take it to the current high, right? So you can see here, really nice trade, very quick. We do go past, get that 2R if we were looking for it, or even just 1R and be in and out of the trade. So same thing again, we cross over through the average line and we go under the average line as we break a new high, and we're waiting for price to come back above, which it does on this candle. We close above with a nice bullish strong candle, so then we're going to be looking to do the same thing again. Now you don't have to take trades, but this is just giving you an example of how you can use it and trade it for you. So there we go again, we can get 1R or quite easily 2R on that trade. Okay, so we've broken above the previous high, the RSI has come up, and now we break below. We're getting our pullback. So we wait, price breaks very strongly above the RSI and gives us our entry. We go long, stop below the low, and we can look for 1, 2R, however many you want to do, right? So we've broken above, price comes below the average line, and we start making that pullback. And then here you can see we get our close above. So we can look to take our entry. We get a little bit of messing around, and then we get another close back above the average line, and price goes on. Now what you can see at this point, we take the high at 1.6, but we do fail to get our 2R. At this point here, once we've broken that low, broken that high, right? As soon as it comes back under, you would want to be closing the trade. So either if you didn't close it at the high, you would want to be getting out the trade at the point of where it closes under, because under the average line, because we're now back in that pullback phase. And here you can see we would have taken a long and taken a loss on this one potentially if you use that as your low, or if you use the current low, then obviously you wouldn't be taken out. However, we'll say on this one you were. Keeping it real for you guys. We come back under and then we close back above again on this candle. Right, you can see it closes above. So again, we're still bullish. We look for our long, stop below. And if we were looking for the highs, you can see there's 2.55R, right? So incredible strategy, works really, really well, especially with EURUSD as well as other pairs. But you can see here just today with live price, you'd have done 2, 4, 6, 6.5, -1, 5.5, another 2, 7R in just the space of that day. You're passing your challenges and everything you need. Now, if you want the PDF and all these indicators, the market structure and the enhanced RSI, then all you need to do is comment below in this video, yes please, and I will comment back with a link so you can get this for free. All that we ask is just subscribe to the channel, comment below, and it's all yours. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.